I'm audible. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So three stage of regime channel we have studied. First is the true regime, that is not possible practically, because we cannot control on discharge, flow discharge, uniform flow, and also we cannot control on silt size, types of silt. So for true regime is not possible, practically not possible. Okay. Initial regime and final regime we have studied. So next is the some points of Lacy theory that give information. Lacy theory is differ from Kennedy theory. So first is the Kennedy theory gives principle of design is it is only formed on the above the bed of the canal, and silt is in suspended. Silt is in suspended form due to eddies. है ना? Silt is suspended form in eddies. Okay. So Kennedy considered the development of eddies supporting the silt in suspended only on the channel bed, but in actual condition that is given by Kennedy is silt actually eddies developed. Actually eddies मतलब flow current. Eddies actually developed at the base of the sorry side slope of the canal. Okay, according to Lacy. So according to Lacy's, eddy's current actually developed at the side slope of the canal. Okay, this is the major difference point of Lacy's theory and Kennedy theory. So Lacy considered the size of the particle forming the channel in its designing in terms of factor term as silt factor. Kennedy theory gives the m factor, consider m factor for silt. Lacy, and this m factor doesn't depend on types and size of the silt and size of the silt, but Lacy considered the types of silt and also size of the silt. Okay, types of the silt and also size of the silt. Lacy also considered critical velocity and mean velocity. Lacy also considered critical velocity and mean velocity, but Kennedy didn't consider mean velocity. ठीक है, Kennedy only considered average velocity. Okay, so these are the difference between Kennedy and Lacy. So again, design a step of Lacy's theory. Design a step of canal according to Lacy's regime theory. Lacy's theory of the canal design is also called Lacy's regime theory. So first step is the for calculation of V equal to V equal to Q F divided by 140 into 1 to the power 6. Okay, this is the formula of given by Lacy for velocity. Okay, and P is the perimeter equal to 4.75 under root Q, and Q is the discharge. And also S is the bed slope, and bed slope relation is given F to the power 5 by 3 divided by Q 1 by 6 into 3340. This is the equation of S, bed slope. Also equation given for silt factor F. F is the 1.76 under root D50. Okay, D50, what do you mean by D50? D50, D60, D30 and D10 already discussed in soil mechanics. Particle size distribution curve. So D50 means D50, significance of D50. D50 means size below which 50% of particles are finer than 50. D, 50% of particle is finer than diameter D. Okay, 50% of particle is finer than given particle. This represent D50. Similar as D30.
एस वाला थोड़ा सा क्लियर एक बार कर दीजिए ना मैम, क्लियर नहीं हो पा।
क्या क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है?
एस
एस, ओके। S is the bed slope equal to, in terms of F is the silt factor. F 5 by 3 divided by Q 1 by 6 into 3340. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the formulas given by Lacy's. So design step, first design step is the, for design, first step is the, here give the heading design step. First is the to calculate velocity of flow. First step is the to calculate velocity of flow, and velocity of flow can be calculated by formula equal to V equal to Q F squared by 140 to the power 1 by 6. Okay, this is the formula for velocity, to calculate velocity. Second step is the hydraulic mean depth. Hydraulic mean depth, that is R equal to A by P. So this can be calculated by a formula S by 2 into V square by F. S by 2 into V square by F. Third step is the area of channel. Calculate area of channel by formula Q by V. Okay. Fourth step is the to calculate weighted perimeter, and weighted perimeter formula also given P equal to 4.75 under root Q. Okay. Next step is the fifth step. In fifth step, we have to calculate area and perimeter dimension of the channel slope. And the formula of slope is the F by 5/3 divided by 3340. This is very lengthy formula. This gives the value of bed slope. Okay. So 5 step is there for design of regime channel according to Lacy. Okay. All formulas are very important for design. Okay. All formulas very important. So write a question. Question is, design a regime channel for a discharge of 50 cumex and F is 1.1. What is the F? F is the silt factor. F is 1.1. Use Lacy's theory. Okay. So this is the Lacy's formula. So design channel. So for design, we have to find area. Area means depth and width. So calculate the value of depth of channel and width of the channel. Please calculate. Use formula and design a step. Follow for different formula V, R, A, and T as per given in design step. So first we have to calculate V, velocity. How we calculate? Discharge is given, silt factor is given. So formula of V, velocity equal to Q F square by 140 to the power 1/6. What is the value of V? What is the value of velocity?
0.85 meter cube per second.
0.85 meter per second. Okay. Any others value? किसी का कोई और भी वैल्यू आया है क्या? Okay, so this is the first step.
0.869.
0.869. Okay, both are similar. Next step is the calculate R, hydraulic radius. So what is the hydraulic radius? 5/2 V square F. We already calculated 0.869 and F is given 1.1. So what is the value of R? What is the value of R? What is the value of R?
One point 68.
1.68. Value of R. Is this clear? Value of R is 1.68.
Yes, ma'am. 1.71.
1.71 or 1.68? Which value is correct? Calculate again. Which value is correct?
हम वेलोसिटी 0.86 लेके कैलकुलेट किए हैं और वो 0.869 शायद किया होगा, इसलिए डिफर आ रहा है.
Okay, so next step is the area. To calculate area, area is given Q by V. Q is given 50 meter cube per second and V is given V. What is the value of V? What is the value of V? 0.886. So what is the value of area? Calculate area. Calculate area. Third step.
58.13.
So next step is the to find perimeter. Perimeter can be calculated P equal to 4.75 under root Q. So calculate perimeter of canal.
Four point 4.4.
4.40 perimeter. Only 4.4.
33.56.
33.56. Dharini, please check your answer. Calculate again. There is some mistake.
Formula is 4.75 under root Q now, ma'am.
Yes. So value of Q is given 50. 50.
Sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 33.58.
33.58 in meter. Okay.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is the value of perimeter. Next step is the to calculate bed slope. To calculate bed slope S. So value of S can be calculated by given formula F by 5 by 3 divided by 3340 into Q to the power 1 by 6. So calculate the value of bed slope S. What is the value of S? Bed slope.
I'm 1.82 into 10 to the power -4.
Okay. So bed slope is calculated. Now channel is trapezoidal channel, है ना? Canal is assumed to be trapezoidal. So area is calculated. What is the value of area? Area is the
8.13 meter.
8. Only 8.
58, ma'am. 58.13.
58. Okay, 58.13. So now calculate the depth and width. Consider the channel is trapezoidal channel and slope is, and if slope is given trapezoidal channel and slope is given 0.5 h 0.5 h to 1 v. Okay, 0.5 h is to 1 v. So calculate the width and depth, b and by, area is given, perimeter is given, so we can easily calculate value of v and y.
मैम हम लोग एच हाइट तो कंसीडर किए ही नहीं थे, तो 0.5 एच।
So consider the value. Okay. So area is given here. Area is 58 point. What is the value of area?
58.13.
13 meter square, and perimeter is also calculated. P equal to
3.58 meter.
58 meter. Okay, these two value is given, and section is trapezoidal, and if slope is given 0.5 h is to 1 v. So how we calculate? So for trapezoidal section, we know P equal to B plus 2 by under root 1 plus m square. Okay, this formula is remember. So P is given, B and by have to calculate, and m is the slope, that is 0.5. So P is 33.58 and B plus 2 by under root 1 plus 0.5. Have you already solved in OCF this type of question? This type of question already solved in OCF, open channel flow, most economical section. So find the value of B and by, and other equation we also write here in terms of area. Area equal to B into by. For trapezoidal section, 1 by 2 into A plus B into y. So here we can also write B plus M by into by. This is the area of trapezoidal section. So again we can write B plus 0.5 into by into by, and value of area is given here. So equation 1 and from equation 2 we can calculate value of B and Y. Calculate the value of B and Y, depth and width of channel. Depth and width of the channel. What is the value of by? And value of B? So for canal designing, we can follow Lacey's theory and these 6 steps for design canal. ठीक है, क्या रहा वैल्यू ऑफ बी?
6.21.
एंड वैल्यू ऑफ वाई?
हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं। मैम y का वैल्यू है 12.24.
12.24. Okay, and value of B is 6.
6.21.
Okay. So this value is correct. This value is correct or not? Amit Kumar Parmanik, have you calculated? Madhusudan Hembrom? Madhusudan Hembrom,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
have you calculated?
No, ma'am. Finish again.
Sumit Chaube. Sumit, are you here? Okay, this similar question can be solved by Kennedy theory. Okay, same question can be solved by Kennedy theory. Kennedy also gives some design step. Okay, for on the basis of formula V equal to Y M into Y to the power 0.64.
आंसर करेक्ट है.
मैं तो कैलकुलेट नहीं कर रही हूँ, बाकी कोई मुझे चेक करके बताओ आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट. Two equation is given, area and perimeter value is also given. So calculate the two equation 1 and 2, find the value. Write one more question based on Kennedy theory. This is based on Lecce theory. So write a question. Design an irrigation channel. Design an irrigation channel to carry 40 cumex discharge 440 E equal to 40 meter cube per second. Okay, 40 cumex of discharge with base width and depth ratio b by d ratio equal to 2.5. Okay, the critical velocity ratio is CVR equal to 1.0. Use Kennedy theory and assume suitable value of coefficient, Cutter coefficient, suitable value of Cutter coefficient. So also we have studied in last class Kennedy design step, Kennedy theory of design step. So in first step we have to calculate velocity, and how we can calculate velocity? Velocity is given by formula, that is v equal to 0.55 m into by to the power 0.64. Okay, so calculate the value. M equal to 1 and y is in terms of d, because v by d ratio is given 2.5, so y is right in terms of d. First step is the to calculate velocity. Second step is the to calculate area. So calculate velocity in terms of y or d. Second step to calculate area. So what is the value of V naught?
If V is equal to 0.55 into Y
0.5.
into Y.
And what is the 0.64 in power 0.64? उसका क्या किया?
कैलकुलेट तो किए थे, बाई में लेके कैलकुलेट कर दिए थे।
कैसे कैलकुलेट हो जाएगा? So V can be write in terms of D. 0.55, 1 का value, 1 is the 1, sorry, M is the 1 by in terms of D and 0.64. So we can also write in terms of D, that is 0.55 D to the power 0.64. Again, second step, we can calculate area. Area is the Q by V. Q is given 40 and V is given this. So in terms of V, we can write 0.55 into D into 0.64. Okay. So step 3, in a step 3, what we can write? A step 3, we have to select a channel in Kennedy step, in Kennedy theory, design channel is on based of trial basis. So here assume slope is 0.5 h is to 1 v. Okay, so again we can write area equal to
मैम
area
स्लोप
equal
जो है वो कांस्टेंट रखेंगे मैम, 0.5 is to 4 is to 1 B.
your voice is not clear, Dharini.
मैम स्लोप जो होता है वो हम लोग कांस्टेंट रखेंगे हर कैनाल में।
कांस्टेंट क्यों रखेंगे?
मैम क्योंकि वहां पे भी आप 0.5 is to 1
नो ये हमने एज्यूम किया है, तो सिंपलेस्ट वे में हमने ये वैल्यू लिया. दिस इज नॉट कांस्टेंट फॉर एनी कैनाल, एनी कंडीशन. तुम कुछ भी रख सकते हो, 1:1 भी रख सकते हो, बट 1:1 हमारा ट्रेपेजॉइडल सेक्शन होगा क्या?
नो मैम, रेक्टेंगुलर में चला जाएगा वो।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली. So this value we can assume. So area can be written as B plus M by into by. So here put the value of M. M is the 0.5. Well, in terms of Y is the D. Okay. So in terms of B and D, we get a equation. So what is the value?
मैम ये वाला स्टेप तो क्लियर हो ही नहीं रहा।